Okay friends, welcome back to the channel. It's a little bit noisy because we're outside having fun. We got airplanes, we got birds, but check this new product out. This is a product sponsored video. I'd like to thank CSI Clear Coat Solutions Inc. Tom, thank you very much for sending this. This is called AutoSlick. Now, you can apply it to a car, but I'm always looking for different ways of applying certain things for an advantage. And today, we're gonna use AutoSlick on a pool stick. Because a pool stick, this is very important that you have slide on the shaft here. So I use chalk, people use gloves, but I figure let's make it even slicker. So the way AutoSlick works, when you apply it, you have to apply, and let me show you what color it is. It's actually green inside here. So that's why I got some green microfibers. Now you want to have clean, you want to have new. These are brand new. And it's gonna be one-time use because these will get crusty from this AutoSlick. And normally you would have an applicator. Too bad my kit did not come with an applicator. It just was the bottle. So there's a number 5 on here. So I'm probably, hey, we got, is it Oshkosh yet? Is it flying? No, it's too early. Looks like a nice single engine something. Okay, but back over here. So you want to spray the product on the applicator, and you want to rub the product on whatever you're applying it to. And you got to give it time to dry. It takes about 15 minutes, and once it's dry, then you can buff it off. And it is a UV cured product. That's why I'm out here in the sun. So let's go ahead and do it. One will be for applicating, and one will be for wiping off. So this will be for the application, and this will be for the buff off. First you gotta turn it on, open it, spray. Okay, spray it on the, here, spray it on the thing. And I'm only gonna wipe it on the part where my hand slides, so. Feel a little stick to it. Now we just gotta give it time to dry. 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna put this off to the side. Let that dry. Okay, so while we're waiting for this thing to dry, I figure we'll talk about this pool stick. Now this pool stick, the story behind this pool stick is made by Cuetec, and I got this thing for 10 bucks. And I was practicing at the pool hall. This guy comes up to me, his name is Troy. Thank you, Troy. So Troy said, hey man, I got something for you. And he comes back. Now I don't want to touch this, but he comes back, he's like, here man, you can use this to work on your game. I was like, really? Just give me 10 bucks when you get a chance? So I was like, wow, just so happy that someone gave me a stick like that. But it's a nice stick, and I'm getting used to it, and thanks again, Troy. So check out the inlays. Here's some inlays in here. Check that out. So remember, this part does not get the AutoSlick. Only the part where your hand slides. All right. So it should be dry now because we've been waiting for a little while. But let's just see what it feels like. It's the first time using it. Ooh, it feels slick already. I'm gonna buff it off here. Wow, this thing feels. Now without chalk, it feels slick already. Like this is where it's draggy, and this is slick. So I think we're on to something here, Tom. And I can't wait to try it. So yeah, it feels nice and slick. So once again, Special thanks out to CSI Clear Coat Solutions for sending me a sample bottle of their AutoSlick. And I got a couple other things I want to try with it. For example, like a lawnmower, like our Ego lawnmower. I'm going to spray the bottom of the lawnmower with this AutoSlick. So when you're sometimes mowing grass that's sort of damp, you got to use a broom to get the grass clippings off. Maybe this stuff will help the grass clippings just not even be there. Alright, that's all I got to say. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone. And once again, let's check out my pool stick. Might be able to have some good games with it now with it nice and slick like that. Oh yeah. I don't know how to display slick on film here, but it's a lot smoother. Yeah, but can it get the ball in the pocket? I don't know. We'll see. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.